I'm Christina, and I'll be walking you through how to add and track your activities in Xample. There are two ways to add your activities, through the general menu and the global add. For this example, we will be navigating through the global add button. Activities can help us form healthy habits and are beneficial for our health. So let's track it. Activities include gardening, bowling, movies, playing cards, and more. Here at Xample, we understand that activities and movements can look different for everyone. To begin, let's open your Xample app. Click on the global add button. You will see a list of options. Select medicine or therapy. Now select enter manually. Under select type, click on the activity on the top right. For this tutorial, I will enter walking as our activity. You can select an activity from the populate list, or you can create a custom activity. Next, select how you want to measure the activity. Select the measure from the drop-down list and input your quantity. Now select the frequency amount measured. I will be clicking on the daily button and selecting 2 times from the drop-down list. There is even an option to choose a color for your own customized graph. You can also add any additional information you want to track, such as your blood pressure and heart rate, instructions, prescriber, start and end date, notes, and to-dos. Also, if you scroll back to the top of the page, you have the option to add photos or upload a file by adding it as an attachment. Click on the button Save, and that's it. Now you have added your activities, and every time you log into your dashboard, your activity will be visible.